Calling my fiancé by his full name in front of my family and this
Victor
happened.
Michael McCauley. Victor Michael McCauley. Come here, Victor Michael McCauley, right now.
Hey, at your mom's house? Really?
I just wanted to tell you that I love you.
I love you too.
Mark Edward Lalonde.
What, baby? What? You have to do that in front of the whole family?
Baby, I just wanted to tell you that I loved you.
I love you too, baby.
This one.
Larry McCann Jr.
Don't look so scared. I just want to tell you that I love you.
Why would you do that? You had my whole heart drop. What is wrong
Why'd
with
you get so scared?
I was just trying to tell him about Godzilla and you over here saying my whole government name like that.
Jordan Reese Cook.
Yes? Yes? What? Why are you guys all leaving?
Ooh, you're in trouble.
No, I'm not. Why are you guys all...
Murilo Caltabiano Bizelli.
Só queria falar que eu te amo.
Nguyễn Minh Hoàng. Minh Hoàng. Em cần nói chuyện với anh. Ra đây em nói chuyện với anh.
Gọi điện ra nha. Chào tôi nha.
Đây. Ra đây. Ra đây em nói chuyện với anh. Ngồi xuống. Em yêu anh. Sao em phải sợ? Nó cành cứng nhỉ? Cứng thế. Wow. Wow. Đô Thế Anh.
Sắm cho lắm à? Mẹ phải đứng dậy, không để phải tôi. Em bảo dối à, đừng ăn thuốc cùng chi. Hôm nay đấm rồi con nhá, trời đánh đánh mới ăn nữa.
Chồng ăn cơm xong chưa chồng? Nữa là hai mẹ con lên ngoại tí nhá.
Ăn cơm!
Llamándole a mi esposo por su nombre completo enfrente de su familia.
Rafael Gómez Sanzorena. Tengo algo muy serio que decirte.
Estamos en la casa de mis padres. Eso puede esperar.
Hazte para acá.
¿Por qué eres tan agresiva?
Te amo mucho, mi amor.
Dude, van a pensar que estamos peleando.
Saying my husband's full name in front of the entire
Alex
family.
Michael Quist.
What? In front of my family?
I just wanted to tell you that I love you.
Oh my gosh. I love you.
Romello Therese Thomas, come here right now.
Hey. Well, buddy, we're in a lot of trouble. Don't hide over here. That's me. That's all you.
Romello, come here right now.
Come here. Now. Come.
Did I do something wrong?
No, I just wanted to tell you I love you.
Really?
Yes.
You made us all leave. And said, I'm finishing the dishes. This girl, bro, they all walked away and then they all. She had me sweat. She freaking embarrassed me. I was like, what the heck is going on? Really?
I just wanted to say I love you.
Me sweat. Really? You had my heart, but like, everything dropped.
Bro, my underarms.
I was like, she just called me by my middle name. Like, what?
Zachary Michael Laskowski. Just wanted to tell you that I love you.
What? Are you serious? In front of everybody? That's how you say that?
Jonathan Scott.
Diciendo el nombre completo de mi novio frente a toda la familia.
Jorge Iván Hernández Ramírez.
Lo abandonan todos. Su carrita jaja. Procede en irse también.
Jorge Iván, Jorge.
Rayos me sigue hablando.
Tengo algo que decirte.
¿Ahora qué?
Te amo, gracias por ser como eres.
Al fin respira jaja.
Samir Antonio Naim Díaz.
No se vayan, no se vayan. No se vayan. No se vayan.
Nguyễn Hữu Đức. Nguyễn Hữu Đức.
Hạ đi ra đi.
Anh như là đấy. Ngồi chỗ này.
Sao?
Em yêu anh. Mặt cứng lắm. Paris D'Angelo Kinsey.
Wait, where y'all get it up? Where y'all going? I didn't even do it. I got Uno. I was about to win.
Tykeem Amir Robinson. I just want to say hi.
What?
How you? I just want to say hi.
I thought I was in trouble. You stopped the space game.
Memorize Diamond Hawkins. Come here. Oh, what happened? Lexi, why you calling my name? Here I come. What happened? Come here. Oh no, baby. What did I do? What part of come here do you not understand?
I love something in my room. Yeah.
Are you mad at me? Come here. Why? Because I said so. Come here. Okay, I'm coming. Did I do something wrong? Okay, I'm coming. Nothing. I'm just kidding.